This Worx car vacuum sweeper. Let's check this thing out. It's compact for sure. We're looking at about 15 inches, 18 inches, not very big at all. You got a nice little hose there. And, oh my gosh, you got, holy cow, you got yourself a huge, huge cord that plugs into your cigarette lighter. Inside the package, you've got your instruction manual. Not a big deal there. Crevice tool, a little brush for your seats, a little brush for your something something, and then a new filter. So you get a second filter in there. And then you got yourself a nice little hangy deal from your rear view mirror. All right, so you got a little push button here so that you can take that off. Pull that out to empty it. Now I've been using this, so this got a little bit of dirt on the inside of it already. But yeah, this thing is nice, simple, easy to use, and for the convenient size, you just can't beat it. Now these attachments, they just slip right into the front for your crevice tool. You need to reach back behind the seat a little bit. Boom. Flexible tube there. This thing works. Let's step out in the car and let me show you. All right, so we're out here at the truck now. We got an empty canister. We've got a fairly clean filter. We're going to see if this really works. I've got my vacuum already plugged into my cigarette lighter. We're going to snap that together, and I'm going to put on an attachment, kick her into gear. Let's see what we get. A little bit off the floor here, a little bit out of the crevice of the seat. Works well. When it comes to cleaning a car, you can't beat a shop vac. But when you're in a pinch for time and you've just got a little mess that you need to clean up, this little device right here, I tell you what, it's picking stuff up. It's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, so what do we got there? Just about 45 seconds. All right, just that little bit of time. That's what we got. So yeah, this little vacuum, this works.